Stop scrolling. Did you know why Maleficent is a villain? In Sleeping Beauty, Maleficent doesn't just crash a party, she declares war on an entire kingdom. And it starts with one brutal insult: she wasn't invited. But here's the darker truth. Maleficent isn't evil because she's chaotic. She's evil because she's humiliated. In a world of crowns and power, being excluded was more than rude, it was disrespect. And for someone as powerful as her, disrespect demands destruction. So she curses a baby. Princess Aurora will prick her finger and die, not someday, not maybe, guaranteed. That's not anger, that's calculated vengeance. And when the three fairies try to outsmart her, Maleficent doesn't panic, she waits. 16 years, watching, smiling, because real villains don't rush revenge, they let it grow. Then comes the transformation. She becomes a dragon. Not to escape, not to hide, but to prove that she is the final nightmare standing between hope and happily ever after. Fire, shadows, absolute power. But here's what makes her unforgettable. Maleficent doesn't want money. She doesn't want a throne. She wants fear. And fear lasts longer than love. That's why she's a villain. Because when you mix pride, power, and betrayal, you don't get a monster. You create Maleficent. And if all it took was not being invited, imagine what she'd do if you crossed her. And